Okay, this is one of our Frankenstein figures we have here. He's approximately 38 inches tall. He can wear size 4T and 5T in clothes if you want to buy different clothes for him. Head's completely carved out of wood. The hands are carved out of wood. Mouth works good. So the mouth is working good. Hi, how you doing? And let's see, we have bolts in the side of his head. We got a little bit of blood coming down from the bolts. We got our little scar up top here. Eyes are painted wood dowels that go in there. Like I say, the hands are carved from wood. The clothes are cut out in the back, so it's easy to get your hand into. You don't have to go up and under your clothes. I have a rubber band that holds the head to the body, so that kind of helps reinforce it so you don't end up dropping it or the head falling off on you. Take the head out. You see we got the bolts here. Like I say, mouth works good. It's a ring lever, so you can use either hand, and you can use your thumb or your forefinger, whichever you prefer to use. I'm left-handed, so I always go with the left hand. So he is finished and ready to go. So if you're interested in him, you can contact me on my Facebook page. And the body is a wood frame covered in cloth. There's a hook down here for your rubber band. Thanks for watching.